this is the first video of our Spring MVC project series. So in this video we will discuss the project configuration of Spring MVC project. The project name called as a project pulse. So if you don't watch the presentation of that project, so you can directly watch through my channel. This is that video, project pulse Spring MVC project. So if you don't watch the project presentation, so you can watch it, and if you like this, so you can follow this series throughout my channel. I will uploading all of the video tutorials regarding this project, so you can master your Spring MVC framework. And if you learn a Spring MVC framework, so indirectly you will become the master in Spring Boot also, because Spring MVC is the basic concept and basic understanding of Spring Boot. Okay, so make sure you follow this video, and I will teach you in very easy form, and we will go to the very step by step in this video. Okay, so this is the first video of this series. So in this video we will discuss about the project configuration of our Spring MVC project. We will discuss the all steps we required while building this application. This is only one time process, so make sure you understand this carefully and follow this. The file required while configuring that project we will provide here. So in description I will provide the link. From there you can directly check out this kind of files from here. Okay, so I hope you will understand, and in this next video we will discuss the template loading, how we can load this template, so we can upload the CSS, JavaScript and HTML files. Okay, I will provide all templates regarding that video. So let's start this video. Okay, so come to your IDE, and another requirement of this project is that you require the Tomcat server 9. So if you don't have the Tomcat server in your Eclipse IDE, so make sure you download from here. And if you want the configuration of that server also, so you can pin me in comment section. I will make the separate video for that. Okay, so if you don't have the Tomcat server in your Eclipse, so make sure you comment this video, so I will definitely make that video. Okay, so you can download this version here, 30-bit and 64-bit here. Okay, so come to your IDE, then click on file, then new, then then new, and then Maven project. Okay, here you can see the click on the next, and here in the last you have to select the Maven R-Type web app 1.0. double click on that, and here you have to give some kind of name to this project. So I will giving the name called as a project Spring MVC Java. Okay, similar name put on the bottom side, so I will copy and paste here, then click on finish. Okay, so here you can see the bottom right corner, the project building process is started. Make sure you have internet is on, because a lot of dependency downloading while building this project. Okay, so here you can see the Y colon, so you have to write here Y and click on enter. So here you can see the project build success. Okay, so let's check out our project is coming here or not. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, project pp project. Okay, here you can see project Spring MVC Java. Click on the project, then come to the pom.xml files first. So first step you have to remember that you have to come to the pom.xml file, open with text editor. Okay, so we have to upload here 4 dependency. So for that I am come to the pom.xml file, and here I have already that kind of dependency here, so I simply copy this 4 dependency from here, and then come to the dependency section, and here you can see carefully after that one dependency which is already present there. After that you have to paste this here. Okay, I pasted all dependency here. If you want that dependency, you have to upload that manually, so you can directly check out that dependency from Maven repository. Here you can see you can directly search, for example, PostgreSQL. So you can directly upload from here. Okay, I will already provide all dependency in one file, so you can directly check out that file also. Then come to the src, then main, then web app, and here you can see one folder called as a web.inf. So click on that folder and you can see the web.xml file. You have to open this file, and here we have to upload one bin here. Okay, so for that I come to drive, and here you can see the file called as a web.xml. I simply open this. Okay, I simply copy this bin from here and paste here. Okay, then in this web dash inf folder we have to create one more xml file. That file name called as spring servlet.xml. Make sure that you click on the web inf folder, not the web app folder. Okay, so double click on there. Okay, then new, then other, and here you have to select the xml file. If you don't show xml file, you can search here xml file, double click on there, and here you have to give the name spring servlet xml. Okay, xml, click on enter, and here we have to load one more bin, so I provided that bin also. From here copy and paste. Okay, one minute. Okay, paste. Okay, all work regarding configuration now finished, but one more thing is, remember, you can see here there is a folder called as a src main resource, but we don't see the folder called as a src main java. Okay, so for that we have to double click on our project, then build path, configure build path, then double click on JRE system library, Java SE 1.7, then click on alternate JRE, then click on finish, then apply and close. Here you can see src main java folder now coming here. So in this folder we will create all of the world controllers, DAO and bins file. We will see that in next video, means next upcoming videos, but still now we don't touch that. Okay, so all things regarding our configuration now completed. Step by step, whenever we require some kind of work regarding database or upload files, that time we upload separate dependency here, and in this file wait a minute, spring.servlet.xml. in this file we will discuss the all things about the database connectivity and the template loading. So this is all about this configuration. So come to our index.jsp file, and this is the default file coming when we created this Maven project. So run on server, here you can see the Tomcat server, Tomcat 9.0. click on next. Okay, it will take a few seconds. So if you don't have Tomcat server, you can pin me in comment, so I will definitely make the configuration of Eclipse in Tomcat server. Okay, so it will take some time. Okay, finish. So remove all project Spring MVC Java, finish. So here you can see in console the project building process is started, and it will automatically redirect us in Chrome browser. Okay, hello world. So our project configuration is successfully completed here. So this is today all about this video. In next video we will discuss about how we can load the template in our Spring MVC application, so we can play with the CSS, HTML and JavaScript files, and we will show the beautiful user interface here. So this is only all about today's video, and we will discuss in today's video that how we can configure our Spring MVC application. So if you want to learn this about this project, make sure you subscribe our channel. If you don't subscribe us, so subscribe please, and it will give me motivation to create and upload daily video. Okay, So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will also provide the GitHub repository of this video, so you can check out that GitHub repository regularly, okay, from next video. So thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you in next video. Thank you.